The iPhone 17 Pro Max is already a powerful video tool, but with the right setup, you can take it to the next level. Today, we're checking out SmallRig's latest cage kit for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max, designed to make your phone feel like a true professional camera. One of the biggest reasons I love filming on an iPhone is that it not only produces high quality videos, but it's also incredibly compact and portable. You can take it anywhere with you without the hassle of carrying heavy equipment. And when you pair that portability with the right gear, the possibilities open up even more. In this video, I'll show you how the cage works and how you can use it to capture steady footage without using a gimbal. Big thanks to SmallRig for sponsoring this video. I've used several cages from SmallRig over the past years, and what always stands out is how much work they put into the design, making it versatile for creators at every level, and you'll see why in a moment. Before we get into the kit, let's quickly talk about dedicated versus universal cages. A dedicated cage like this one fits your phone perfectly, so it's compact, stable, and easy to use. The downside is that it only works with that model, which isn't ideal if you upgrade every year. Universal cages, on the other hand, are more future-proof and work with multiple phones. And SmallRig has a variety of cages. This particularly is my favorite one, which comes with this top handle, two side handles, uses a clamp, and has this knob to tightly secure your phone. However, you can see that the universal cage is bulkier than a dedicated cage. Now, either way, it's important to choose the cage that fits your needs. Personally, I prefer a dedicated cage because it feels more compact than this universal cage and also feels more secure. So let me give you a quick overview of the new iPhone 17 Pro Max kit. So let's start with the case. The case itself is available in white and black and features a sleek, durable design that protects your phone from drops and scratches. Now, one highlight is the built-in stand, which works for both horizontal and vertical setups. It's great for low-angle filming, hands-free recording, or watching videos while traveling. The case is MagSafe compatible with strong magnets, making it quick and easy to attach accessories like power banks. It also provides full access to all controls and buttons, which responds really smoothly. Now, there are two versions available that's included, one with a closed back and one with a open version, depending on your preference. The best part is that the case works seamlessly with their cage. You can use it as a stylish everyday case for casual shooting or switch to a full professional setup when needed. The backplates are interchangeable and include options like a T-mount, a 17mm thread lens plate, and a 67mm filter adapter, which is sold separately. They don't block any of the sensors and are easy to attach. On the T-mount, I can attach SmallRig's 1.33x anamorphic lens. This way I can achieve a widescreen aspect ratio with cinematic glare effect. Now, if you own third-party lenses, you can use them with this case thanks to the different threaded plates, making it versatile and cost-effective. However, at the moment, there isn't a 67mm threaded filter adapter available for the iPhone 17 kit to attach third-party filters, though I can see SmallRig adding one in the future, just like they did with the iPhone 16 kit. If you're wondering, no, the previous backplate for the iPhone 16 kit is not compatible with this one. If you need multiple mounting points to expand your setup, that's where the cage comes in. It's fully compatible with the case, letting you easily slide it in and lock it securely with a single button. The cage allows you to build a complete professional setup while still being able to switch quickly between the case and the cage configurations. I personally like to use it with the lanyard for quick access when filming outdoors. You also get these awesome dual rotatable handles that are included, and you can quickly attach them using the Hawk Lock quick release mechanism. There are 3 configuration options available. You can use them as a side handle for horizontal shooting or set them up vertically as well for vertical content, or you can also set them up as a top handle for low angle shots. 2 hidden hex keys are provided and come in handy during the initial setup. Now the handles rotate 360 degree, allowing you to adjust them to your preferred angle for a more comfortable shooting experience. They require a bit of force to rotate, which helps them stay firmly in place even during dynamic camera movement or when using heavier accessories. Now by adding these 2 handles, you get much steadier handheld shots since you have 2 solid points of contact. Now when it comes to creating those handheld camera movements, it's really important that you walk heel to toe. This way you can avoid those up and down movements. The handle includes a detachable Bluetooth remote that lets you start and stop recording wirelessly, perfect for solo creators. It works from up to 10 meters away and it's compatible with most video recording apps such as the default camera app or the Blackmagic camera. To connect the remote to your iPhone, press and hold the button until the green light starts flashing quickly. Then go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and select the remote from the list. SmallRig offers an optional 5-in-1 magnetic filter kit, which includes a 67mm variable ND, a circular polarizer, and a 1/4 black mist filter. The filters easily snap onto the case or cage. The 1 to 5 stop variable ND helps you maintain the 180-degree shutter rule for smooth cinematic motion blur. For brighter conditions, SmallRig also sells the 6 to 9 stop VND separately for even more light control. You can even stack the filters on top of each other. For example, you can snap on the mist first and then the VND to achieve both a soft highlight and natural motion blur. It also comes with a cap to protect the filter when not in use. Now I went on an awesome trip with my friend Sven, who by the way filmed all of the behind the scenes. So big thanks to him for those epic B-roll shots. Now I shot everything on the Blackmagic camera app. The codec is H.265, the resolution is 4K, and the color space shot in Apple Log 2. And the shutter angle I've set to 180 degree to get that natural motion blur, and to compensate for the exposure I used the 1 to 5 VND from SmallRig. The ISO I set as low as possible, and the white balance is set to lock on record. Regarding frame rate, I switched between 25 frames per second for normal motion and 50 frames per second for slow motion. Regarding the stabilization, I've set it to extreme. So yeah, these are basically the camera settings I used. If you're looking for a complete setup, I've put together one that includes an SSD with hub, a wireless mic, a monitor, a power bank, and even a light. This is really perfect for self-filming or run and gun shooting. By the way, I'll leave all links to the products in the video description below. The SSD I'm using is the Lexer Professional Go portable SSD with hub, which has 2 terabytes of storage. I've been using Lexer's SSD since release and it has been always reliable. I recommend getting it with the hub since this way you can connect additional accessories like the SmallRig S60 wireless microphone. And this allows you to capture high quality audio wirelessly. It's small, easy to use, plug and play. I've also attached the wireless video monitor from SmallRig using a universal metal smartphone holder, and I've inserted it into the cold shoe of the handle. What's great about the monitor is that I can mirror the screen on my iPhone. Now, since it's on a clamp, I can also remove it and take it with me if I need to frame myself from further away. It has a wireless range of 10 meters. I've also attached a MagSafe power bank from Anker since filming can drain the battery quickly. For lighting, I've added the mobile LED video light from SmallRig to the monitor's MagSafe magnet. Now the magnet wasn't very strong on the monitor, so I added another magnet ring, which I didn't even have to stick on, and it made the light attach more securely thanks to the stronger magnet. What I like about this light is that it's small, easy to detach, and I can angle it in almost any direction. It also comes with a mirror for touch-ups. Lastly, using it with SmallRig's lightweight carbon fiber tripod, you got yourself a full mobile production setup. The reason I like this tripod is because it's lightweight yet strong, very compact when folded together, and provides stable support for the camera. So this is how it looks like with the full rig setup. I'm recording myself with the rear camera using the 1x lens, following the 180-degree shutter rule. This way I get that natural motion blur, and to achieve that I also have the VND mounted. Recording this externally on the Lexer SSD, which the hub is included. This way I can also attach the wireless mic from SmallRig, the S60, which you're listening to right now. And by the way, it features noise canceling, so by pressing this button I can activate it. And now noise canceling is activated. This way you will hear less of the background noise. And to turn it off, I just press it again. And now it's turned off. Now I'm also using the monitor, which is super great. This way I can frame myself properly and also monitor the shot throughout my recording. I can see that the microphone is on, how much battery is left. So this is pretty useful. And I'm also using the LED light from SmallRig just to fill in some light on my face. And here's the difference without and with the LED light turned on. I think this is a really great setup that allows you to capture high quality videos with your iPhone 17 Pro Max. Regarding the price, there are several options available for the cage kit for the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. The basic cage is priced at $49.99, the flagship cage at $69.99, and the dual handheld kit at $119.99. Now, this is great news for anyone who already owns the iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max cage, as the handles are compatible with the new iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max cage. So if you're upgrading your iPhone, you can simply get the basic or flagship cage without needing to replace your existing handles. Keep in mind that the 67mm filter adapter is not included, so if you want to use SmallRig's magnetic VND, you'll need to get the filter adapter backplate separately. The case can also be purchased separately if you prefer not to get the full cage kit. The shooting experience with the iPhone 17 cage kit has been great overall. A lot of thought has gone into the design, making it very functional for all kinds of mobile video creators. If you're looking for an affordable cage to build a professional setup, the one from SmallRig is a great choice. Now guys, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you're using an iPhone 16 Pro Max, you might want to check out SmallRig's previous cage kit, which you can watch right over here. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.